Is that good, bacon? This is why they say you eat like a pig. Water. Food. Slow down, bacon. You almost out of water there, buddy? Here. Slurp it up. Hey, bacon. How about a little bit of brownie, buddy? Bacon, look at this. Look. You want some? Can you do circles? Come here. Bacon. Bacon, here. Do circles. Do circles. Come here. Bacon. She said, the hell with you. Here, do circles. Good circles. You want some bacon? No, no bacon. What are you doing? You can eat that over here, little piggy pig. That's a good brownie, huh? Potbelly pigs are the coolest.